That is the most important question. That is a question from exemplar. Here fx is equal to x minus 5 upon mod of x minus 5 plus a if x is less than 5, and a plus b if x is equal to 5, and x minus 5 upon mod of x minus 5 plus b if x is greater than 5 is a continuous function. That is given, it is a continuous function, and find the values of a and b. That means here this function fx is continuous. It means it is continuous at x is equal to 5, and therefore we have to find the left hand limit, right hand limit, and value of the function. If it is continuous at x is equal to 5, it means left hand limit is equal to right hand limit is equal to value of the function. That means f5. For left hand limit, we have limit x tends to 5 negative fx. For right hand limit x tends to 5 positive fx, and the value of the function f5. And now substitute these values in the function. Here limit x tends to 5 negative. For 5 negative, we have to take the substitution. What will be the substitution? F of 5 minus h, x is equal to 5 minus h. X is equal to 5 minus h, as x tends to 5 negative, h tends to 0. This is the substitution. And that is equal to limit h tends to 0, f of 5 plus h. Here the substitution, x is equal to 5 plus h, as x tends to 5 positive, h tends to 0. This is the substitution for right hand limit. And now f5. What is the value of f5? When x is equal to 5, the function is a plus b, and therefore we have to write equal to a plus b. Is it clear? And now substitute this f of 5 minus h for left hand limit. For left hand limit, when x is less than 5, the function is x minus 5 upon mod of x minus 5, and therefore it becomes limit h tends to 0, 5 minus h minus 5 upon mod of 5 minus h minus 5. This is for the left hand limit. And for right hand limit, we have the function x minus 5 upon mod of x minus 5 plus b. In left hand limit, we have x minus 5 upon mod of x minus 5 plus a. In right hand limit, this term is same, but constant term is different, that is b. And therefore, it becomes limit h tends to 0, 5 plus h minus 5 upon 5 plus h minus 5 mod plus b is equal to a plus b. That is the value of f5. And now simplify this. Limit h tends to 0, it becomes minus h upon mod of minus h plus a. This will be cancelled. You will get minus h upon mod of minus h plus a. And for in this case, we have limit h tends to 0, h upon mod of h plus b, that is equal to a plus b. And now What is the value of mod of minus h? You will write only h, because in modulus function negative term is positive, plus a, and limit h tends to 0, we get h upon h plus b is equal to a plus b. And now you will get limit h tends to 0 minus 1 plus a is equal to limit h tends to 0 1 plus b is equal to a plus b, and therefore it becomes minus 1 plus a is equal to 1 plus b is equal to a plus b. And now we have three terms: minus 1 plus a, 1 plus b, and a plus b. This is the value of left hand limit, this is the value of right hand limit, and this is the value of constant term. Now you have to consider this term. If we have to consider this, you will get a minus b is equal to 2. And now from this second and third, you will get a is equal to 1. Because in this b will be cancelled, you will get a is equal to 1. And now when a is equal to 1, substitute here 1 minus b is equal to 2. It means b is equal to minus 1. b is equal to minus 1 and a is equal to 1. That is the values of a and b. Is it clear?